I'm Cheryl and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be talking about how you should be doing your Instagram bio so that you can get more followers and more clients and customers into your business. So let's dive right in. Your Instagram bio is the first thing that people see when they click onto your profile. So this is why it's really important to be clear about who you are and what you do. First thing is your name. In the name section, you shouldn't just only put your name because nobody's searching for Cheryl or Bob, Emma, Joe. They're not searching for that. So you just won't come up in any searches. After your name, you should put your job title or your business, so then everyone knows what you do. Whatever job you do, this needs to be put after your name. So with me, mine says mindset and business coach. My life coach that specialises in the mindset, and also I do business coaching as well. So when people search business coach, I will be on the list of business coaches. This is why it's critical for you to put your name and also what you do, because you will appear in searches and then people can just find you. So the next tip is about your niche statement. So you need to put a sentence or two about what does your business offer, what problems do you solve. You need to put an I help statement. When people go onto your profile, then they can see exactly what you do. So with my profile, I have two niches because I do mindset and business coaching. So mine says I teach entrepreneurs how to build and scale their online business through social media. But then underneath, I've also got I teach women how to heal anxiety, because they are my two niches. If you specialize in a small niche, then you are going to attract more people because they know exactly what your niche is. So I help entrepreneurs not only to build their business, but it's through social media. I'm not saying that I build it anywhere else. My niche is building it through social media. But you need to have a I help statement. I help women do this. I help men do this. I help teachers. I help fitness coaches. Just need to know who your ideal client is and what your target market is, because then you can just fit it into your niche statement, and then whenever anyone goes into your profile, they'll know exactly what you do, who you are, and how you can help them, and then they'll decide whether they want to follow you. So figure out your niche and then write your niche statement. Now with Instagram, your bio has to be within the 150 character limit. That's all they allow you to write. But if you do have some space underneath your niche statement, then you should write a bit about yourself, and that could just be personally to you, or it could also include something of your business. So you could say you've got a YouTube channel and how many views you've got on there, so then that'll lead people onto your YouTube channel as well. So if you do have some characters left, just write a small little bit about yourself, so then that person knows a little bit about you. Okay, and the final one is you have to have a call to action at the end of your bio. So this is having a link to your website or your Facebook, YouTube, whatever you have. Now, I will say there is a website called Linktree. I used to have a Linktree link at the bottom of my bio until I realised that all of my links most of them were in my website. So I put on my website on there, I put my one-to-one coaching, I put some of my courses on there, and I also put my YouTube and Facebook. But then it made me think that when people click onto it, then it's not going to my website, the click is going to Linktree. So if you do have a website, I would highly suggest that you put your website on there rather than an external link, because then those website hits are going to your website. So if you do have a website, put the link there. But if not, you can just link anything else. So for me, I've put on mine free resources and a little point finger down. So then if people want free resources, then they'll go to my website and see what I offer. So give them an incentive to click on that link, because a lot of people do put spammy links on there. So you need to make it clear and concise what you're offering in your website or in your link. So do an incentive and get people clicking on your link. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, then hit the thumbs up and click subscribe if you're not already subscribed to me. You can also follow me on my social medias, Instagram and Facebook. And if you like these videos about Instagram growth, then I've got 2 more here for you that you need to go and watch right now. So I'll see you very soon in another video. Bye!